Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Taobao app. So first of all, launch open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So updating the Taobao application is very important for smoother performance and better features. So in order to do that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in Taobao. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the option Taobao. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated to the latest version, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on the option update, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the open option. That means now you can use the latest version of the application. So that is how you update Taobao app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.